Hello again. While operating in the industry, companies must document numerous activities. In this material, we will show how to facilitate the documentation process. Hence, today, we will show you how your employees can easily input data while executing their digital workflows. In the following video, we will discuss importance of data input, functionalities, practical example, availability. We discussed the function of digital workflows in the previous videos. And this time, we will focus on one function within, namely data input. Why is it important? Many industrial processes require documentation and data gathering. Such information can be used for audits, to analyze efficiency, or to generate reports that are often required to bill clients for the service. So, to make it easier, in each workflow step, you can add control buttons to enter data. They can take the form of a text field, select box, multi-select box, photo and video. You can define inputs as required, so your employees won't be able to move forward without adding the required information. This way, you can make sure every step is well documented. In effect, besides workflow instructions, employees also see data input fields. When they finish a workflow, all information is sent to the server. Data input can be used to document tasks and service procedures, collect data for reports, protocols and audits, obtain data on the machinery or production line condition, issue a demand for components and materials, and replace paper forms and protocols. Let's have a look at a real-life example. Company X sells industrial air treatment systems and has to carry out regular inspections of their installations. To do it, 2 technicians are needed to get to the client's site. The first is working at height, inspecting the installation. The second one is on the ground all the time, completing the paper record based on the information received from the first technician. It isn't the end of the procedure, though, because someone has to rewrite paper documentation into a digital form and download the photos to attach them to the report. The only reason Company X needs 2 technicians is the fact that the one at height can't fill out traditional documentation and hold a camera to document the inspection simultaneously. So now, imagine a different scenario. There's one technician at height only but equipped with Nsflow and augmented reality glasses. Let's call him James. James can not only follow tasks in the checklist but also see instructions on how to perform these tasks. In addition, he is using the device with voice commands so his hands remain free. He sees which steps involve providing data and if the field is labeled required. This way, James is documenting the process while performing it, and the system ensures he hasn't forgotten about anything. He can take pictures of the elements inspected with the camera built into the AR glasses. When James finishes the inspection, all pieces of information are sent to the server or service system. He can also automatically generate a report to send to the client. If the conditions are favorable, this procedure can also be performed with a phone or tablet. You can use data input in digital workflows to control processes, verify whether documentation is complete, automate repetitive tasks, and digitalize data. Also, it helps to reduce the number of employees needed to complete the procedures. It is available in the cloud, on-premise, and boxed versions of the Nsflow platform. You can also integrate it with your other internal or external systems. That's all for now. Don't forget to hit the like button, and see you in the next video.